Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hope you have been enjoying this great show. Thanks all. Thank you all for coming. Just as any artist thrives on the support of audience, this young kiddos today rely on your encouragement and appreciation. After all, their years of dedication, countless hours of practices, right? You see the jeti, the intricate movement of steps, their beauty facial expressions, or the testament to their long life passion and motivation towards this artistic journey. So I would all encourage you to keep encouraging these kids, give your applause and motivation in fueling their artistic passions. Wherever they go in their life of their next journey, that will definitely help us. Coming to our lovable daughter, Teju. How I can describe Teju in 5 minutes may not be enough to describe her skills and talents. It's a moment we have cherished, a dream we have nurtured, and a reality we have eagerly awaited. Indra பொழுதின் பெரிதுவக்கும் தன் மகனை சான்றோன் என கேட்ட தாய் மகன் தந்தைக்கு ஆற்றும் உதவி இவன் தந்தை என்னோற்றான் கொல் எனும் சொல் என்பது போல். As a proud parents, it's a moment of immense pride and joy for us to witness Teju on this great show. Watching her on this grand platform here is a testament to her dedication, hard work, and passion for this art form. Years of dedication, countless hours of practices, and unwavering passion have culminated in this momentous occasion. We would like to take this opportunity to be eternally grateful to Teju's guru, Srimati Vandita Mogan, for her unwavering guidance and support. Teju would have not been in this show without her guru's support. Their tutelage has not only honed Tejaswi's dance skills, but also instilled in her values of the day-to-day leading life. It's about how to show humility. It's about discipline. It's about perseverance. It's about dedication, teamwork, excellence. This paved the way for Teju, for my lovable daughter, to deeply connect her towards other Indian heritage through Carnatic music and other art forms. Teju is known for her talents and skill, and she is outside of the box thinker. Some call her encyclopedia, due to the fact that her curiosity to continue to learn, excel, and grow in whatever it comes on her way. Whether it's for sports, politics, she loves to learn and excel. And she's very studious and has great academic excellence. And she won recent NJHS award at school. And also she came FETNA first prize winner in Tamil competition and Kuraltheni. We admire one of her most excellent qualities, that she never gives up. She continues to fight for her dreams, and she will continue to put her efforts until she succeeds. Teju, darling, your achievements have shown us what determination and hard work can do. As a parent, we are so proud to watch you and happy to see you achieving your goals one by one. And you are now becoming stronger, braver, and independent women you are becoming. You are a beautiful dancer. You are so amazing, and you are beautiful inside out. Our RTS congratulations on this momentous occasion. We love you, darling. And you are the role model, not only for others, but also for your little brother, Achu. Because of you, Achu is looking at you in his academic to compete you in sports. The recent awards he won in Athlete of the Month and Coyote Character of the Month and Kumar Award, that shows the testament your role model in home. This is just the beginning. You will have a long way to go and achieve greater milestones in your life. You are a blessing to our life. No single day you ever disappointed us. We are very proud of you, our princess. Our sincere congratulations once again. Your hard-earned success. You are braver than you believe. stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. We loved always more than you know. Your grace, your passion, your dedication all come together in a breathtaking performance. As we bask in the glory of this special occasion, we wish Teju continues to shine brightly and inspire others and go to greater heights in her life. Let's continue to shower Teju with all your love and blessings, and she embarks on a great artistic journey. Again, as audience, we would like to thank all of you for your presence here tonight. Your support and encouragement have been invaluable to the kids. You could have chosen your time this weekend to any other event, but you prioritized to be here for this kids' performance. Thank you all, and have a great evening.
Hi, I'm Teju's mom. I'm not going to take much time here. As Dada says, you never disappointed us. We always love you and we feel proud of you. Be as you are and you will go very high. All the best, Teju Kanna. Love you.
Hello. Thank you all for being this moment so special. And I'm Teju's buddy, Chitti, and everything. She's my life, she's my soul, and she's my mom. All the best, Teju. All the best, everyone. You guys nailed it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Teju's cousin, and I feel very proud of you, and I'm your first biggest fan you will ever have. I love you so much.
Say all the best.
See all the best, Akka.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
All the best to all the kids here. All the best, Teju. We always love you, and you're rocking and you're doing a great job. Keep it up. Thank you all.
Teju Kanama, we love you.
We love you.